Welcome to Uganda, a landlocked country in East Africa. Known as the Pearl of Africa, Uganda is a vibrant tapestry of lush landscapes, diverse wildlife, and warm hospitality. From the snow-capped Rwenzori Mountains to the sprawling savannas, Uganda offers a sensory feast for every traveler. Envision immersing yourself in the rich cultural heritage of Uganda, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Whether you seek adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a chance to escape the ordinary, Uganda has something to offer every discerning traveler. This comprehensive video guide will be your trusted companion as we navigate the wonders of Uganda. We'll explore the vibrant capital city of Kampala, where modern skyscrapers stand tall alongside traditional markets. Our journey will take us to the breathtaking Murchison Falls National Park, home to cascading waterfalls and an abundance of wildlife. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty of Queen Elizabeth National Park, renowned for its tree-climbing lions and breathtaking landscapes. So, fasten your seatbelts, adjust your sense of adventure, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Uganda. Uganda, often hailed as the Pearl of Africa, is a landlocked nation nestled in East Africa. The country cradles the northernmost portion of the world's longest river, the mighty Nile, which flows from its source at Lake Victoria northwards. Towering mountain ranges, including the legendary Rwenzori Mountains, pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks a stark contrast to the verdant plains below. The country is a tapestry woven with sprawling savannas, dense rainforests, and shimmering lakes. Imagine yourself on a safari, cruising through Queen Elizabeth National Park as the sun rises over the savanna. The air is alive with the sounds of the African bush, the trumpeting of elephants, the chattering of monkeys, the distant roar of a lion. Herds of zebras and antelopes graze peacefully, while Nile crocodiles bask in the sun along the banks of the Kazinga Channel. Venture north to Murchison Falls National Park, where the Nile River dramatically plunges over a precipice, creating a thunderous spectacle of raw power and beauty. For a truly immersive experience, trek through the Bwindi Impenetrable Forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to one of the world's most endangered primates, the mountain gorilla. Uganda's cultural heritage is as rich and diverse as its landscapes. The country is home to over 50 distinct ethnic groups, each with its own unique traditions, languages, and customs. From the Bantu-speaking Baganda people, known for their intricate bark cloth art, to the Karamojong pastoralists in the northeast, who have maintained their traditional way of life for centuries, Uganda is a melting pot of cultures. Music and dance are integral parts of Ugandan culture, with each region boasting its own distinctive rhythms and styles. Ugandans are renowned for their warmth and hospitality, making it easy to feel at home in this captivating country. One of the most alluring aspects of Uganda is its affordability, especially when compared to traditional tourist destinations in Europe or North America. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal of local delicacies like matoke, which are steamed green bananas, and groundnut sauce for a fraction of what you'd pay back home. Transportation is equally kind to your wallet. A boda boda, Uganda's ubiquitous motorcycle taxis, can zip you through city streets or rural roads for a few thousand Ugandan shillings. For longer distances, comfortable minibuses crisscross the country, offering an affordable and authentic way to experience Uganda like a local. Accommodation options cater to every budget, from backpacker hostels to charming guest houses and mid-range hotels. Let's say you're planning a week-long adventure in Uganda. With careful planning and a spirit of embracing local experiences, you can easily do so on a budget of $50 per day or less. Imagine starting your day with a delicious breakfast of fresh fruit, chapati, which is a type of flatbread, and spiced tea for around $2. In the afternoon, embark on a guided nature walk in one of Uganda's many national parks, costing around $10 to $15 per person. As the sun sets, enjoy a cold beer at a local bar, chatting with friendly locals and soaking up the lively atmosphere for a couple of dollars. One of the best ways to maximize your budget in Uganda is to embrace the local way of life. Instead of opting for expensive tourist restaurants, venture into local eateries and discover the incredible flavors of Ugandan cuisine. Try Rolex, a popular street food consisting of a chapati rolled with an omelet and vegetables, for around $1. Transportation costs can be minimized by utilizing boda-bodas for short distances and opting for minibuses for longer journeys. When it comes to accommodation, consider staying in locally owned guest houses or homestays. Many guest houses and homestays are located in scenic areas, providing breathtaking views and a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Uganda's beauty extends far beyond its stunning landscapes and abundant wildlife. It is deeply intertwined with the grace, strength, and spirit of its women. Ugandan women are renowned for their captivating beauty, reflecting the country's diverse heritage and vibrant culture. From the Akoli women in the north, adorned with intricate beaded necklaces and colorful textiles, to the Baganda women in the central region, known for their elegant dresses and graceful demeanor, each region boasts a unique expression of feminine beauty. Ugandan women are not defined by a single standard of beauty, but rather by their individuality and the way they carry themselves with confidence and pride. Their beauty is a reflection of their strength, resilience, and the important roles they play in Ugandan society. Beyond their physical beauty, Ugandan women are known for their warmth, hospitality, and infectious laughter. They have a natural ability to make visitors feel welcome and at ease, often going above and beyond to ensure their comfort and enjoyment. Ugandan women are also known for their strong family values and their dedication to their communities. They play an integral role in raising children, supporting their families, and contributing to the social and economic development of their communities. It is important to approach interactions with Ugandan women with respect and cultural sensitivity. Avoid making assumptions about their lives or experiences, and always ask for consent before taking photos or engaging in personal conversations. Remember that Ugandan culture places a high value on modesty and respect for elders. Dress appropriately, covering your shoulders and knees when visiting religious sites or rural areas. By approaching interactions with genuine curiosity, respect, and an open mind, you can build meaningful connections with Ugandan women and gain a deeper appreciation for their culture and way of life. Uganda is an adventure lover's paradise, offering a diverse range of activities that will get your adrenaline pumping and create memories to last a lifetime. For many, the highlight of any trip to Uganda is a wildlife safari. Uganda is home to over 10% of the world's primate species, making it a prime destination for chimpanzee and gorilla trekking. Venture into the lush rainforests of Kibale National Park, where you can track chimpanzees through the dense undergrowth, their playful calls echoing through the trees. For an experience that will stay with you forever, embark on a gorilla trekking expedition in windy, impenetrable forest. Trekking through the dense forest, led by experienced guides, you'll come face to face with these gentle giants. Beyond its wildlife adventures, Uganda offers a wealth of cultural experiences that will enrich your understanding of this captivating country. Immerse yourself in the local way of life by visiting a traditional Ugandan village. Here, you can interact with local families, learn about their customs and traditions, and perhaps even try your hand at activities like basket weaving. Try your hand at pottery. Explore the bustling markets, a sensory overload of colors, aromas, and sounds. Visit the Kasubi Tombs, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and learn about the history of the Buganda Kingdom, Uganda's largest ethnic group. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Uganda offers a playground of adventure activities. Go whitewater rafting on the Nile River, navigating thrilling rapids against a backdrop of stunning scenery. Challenge yourself with bungee jumping or zip lining over the Nile, taking in breathtaking views from above. For a more serene experience, take a boat trip on Lake Victoria, Africa's largest lake, or hike through one of Uganda's many national parks, immersing yourself in the beauty of nature and enjoying breathtaking views from mountain peaks. To truly grasp Uganda, let's paint a picture using familiar analogies. Imagine a country where the wildlife rivals the Serengeti, yet without the crowds. Think of a place where the warmth of the people rivals Southeast Asia. Picture a land where adventure activities rival New Zealand. All of this wrapped in a package that's lighter on your wallet. That's Uganda, where adventure, culture, and affordability converge. Uganda is not just a destination. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to step outside your comfort zone and create lasting memories. Connect with nature in its rawest form. Witness wildlife in its natural habitat and experience the warmth of human connection. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the Pearl of Africa. Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, is more than just a travel destination. It's a transformative experience. From breathtaking landscapes and diverse wildlife to warm hospitality, Uganda offers a sensory feast. Seek adventure, immerse in vibrant cultures, or escape the ordinary. Uganda has it all. Embrace the warmth of Uganda's people and embark on an unforgettable journey. The Pearl of Africa awaits, ready to share its magic with you.